Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fast speeds and unlimited internet, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download a WireGuard config file and set it up on the WireGuard VPN app for a fast, secure, and private internet connection. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type SSH Ocean in the search bar. From the search results, tap the official SSH Ocean website link to access the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, tap the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will expand a list of options. Scroll to the bottom and click on the WireGuard button. You'll be taken to a page with different server locations. Choose your desired server location, for example, Singapore or Germany. Tap on it. Now you'll see a list of servers available in that location. Choose any server that shows online and active status. Tap the server name to proceed to the account creation page. Here, enter your preferred username, complete the reCAPTCHA, and then tap Create Now. Within seconds, your WireGuard config file will be generated. Go ahead and download the file and save it for future use. Next, open the Play Store and search for WireGuard VPN. Find the official app in the results and tap Install to download it onto your device. Once it's installed, open the WireGuard app. On the app's homepage, tap the ++ icon at the bottom right corner. A small window will appear. Tap on Import from File or Archive. This will open your device's Downloads folder. Select the WireGuard config file you downloaded earlier. The file will be imported successfully. Now simply tap the toggle switch next to your imported config to connect. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to fast, secure, and unlimited internet using WireGuard VPN. And that's it! You're now browsing securely with high-speed internet via WireGuard VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.